Kathy thought it looked like me, so there it is. Kathy saw one of these picnic tables for squirrels online somewhere. I said, well, heck, I can just make one of them. So I made it yesterday. Actually looks better than the ones you see online. Crepe myrtles are growing nicely since they were about 6 inches tall when I planted them. This bicycle was sitting in the back of the RV for about 4 years, rusting. I said, heck, it can rust out front just as easy as it could in the back, so I'm using it. There's a banana pepper, jalapeno peppers, and Tabasco peppers. And there's Nosy, Repo, loves it right there. There's my pond I built. I was gonna make it all this the pond, but just digging that hole was a problem. Hard as this dirt and gravel is. Still working on this deck. Got another $250 or so. Repo, you got me tangled up, son. $250 or so. Made me a bench there. Got some sunflowers I planted last year and they started coming up, so I just dug them up and put them in this pot. Some more in that one. There's another one. Got more in this wheelbarrow. And that dude, I printed that on my 3D printer. Painted him. I don't know what he's supposed to be for, but he looked nice. But I'll be glad when I get through this deck. Make it all look the same. All I need to do is put the floor down on that side over there. But I'll do that here in the next couple of weeks. I get it all up good. Need some more color out here. I ain't got enough color in it.